Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So in this video we are going to talk about NB Diploma Round 1 cutoff comparison with last year, and as you can see on the screen for all the 8 branches, the cutoff for last year is just shown in red color and for this year in blue color. So I would like to tell you that there is a huge positive shift in some of the branches in diploma, and reason is very obvious that the seat almost got double this year for the round 1, and in round 2 we are expecting further addition in the seats. So this year it will be like a very good opportunity for those who are going to take government seats or like diploma seats in any of the clinical branches. You look at the cutoff figure for diploma in anesthesia. Last year it was closed up to 35,451 in round 1, and this year it has crossed 50,000. So almost 15,000 positive shift in general category. In the same branch diploma in anesthesia in EWS category, from 35,766 to 72,000. So almost double, more than double. The cutoff went positive shift by 35,000, more than 35,000. In OBC category from 36,000 to 52,000. So you can imagine those who were not expecting the seat, they have already got the seat. In diploma in family medicine from 40,000 up 39,462 to 55,000, and in EWS from 42,000 to 70,000, almost 71,000, and OBC from 42,000 approx to 60,000 almost. Okay, in diploma in ophthalmology last year it got close up to rank of 31,000 approx, and this year 46,000. So 15,000 positive shift. And in EWS it has the highest number, that is 73,912 among all the clinical branches, all the diploma branches. Let's talk about more demanding branches in diploma like DMRD, the top clinical branch in diploma. Last year it went up to 13,323. This year the seat was almost double compared to last year, and it went up to 15,789. In round 2 you can expect this figure coming around 17,000 something like that, and in EWS category from 7,000 to almost 12,500 positive shift. In OBC category there is positive shift by 1,000. Talking about the diploma in pediatrics DCH, okay, from last year 2,500 to 25,151, it went up to 31,000. So positive shift by 6,000 in general category, and in EWS category the positive shift by around 4,000, almost 6,000. In OBC category there is positive shift by around 4,700 rank. In DGO, in UR category there is positive shift by around 5,000. In EWS there is positive shift by around 10,000, and in OBC category around 5,000. Okay, and diploma in TB and chest last year it could close up to rank of 24,555. This year up to 31,654, and you can see the difference in the cutoff is around 7,000. Okay, more than 7,000. In OBC category there is positive shift by around 7,000 again. In ENT also you can see the positive shift in UR category by 13,000, and in EWS category by almost 29,000, and in OBC category by around 16,000, more than 16,000. So this figure will tell you everything. It takes a lot of analysis and hard work to bring you all these figures, comparison between last year and this year, so that you can plan for your further round about upgradation, or kind of like if you haven't get the seat or you were not expecting seat in particular rank, then you can try for further round, and you can also plan your state counseling. Okay, so that's it from my side. I'll share the deemed university cutoff comparison in next video, and if you want to watch DNB and All India quota comparison, you can watch our previous videos. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.